This week, the busiest bloke in Hollywood, Chris Hemsworth, is here. Plus, we catch up with the queen of country, Carrie Underwood.
And hold the phone, Carl. We're giving away 2 tickets to the TV Week Logie Awards. VIP the whole way. Flights, accommodation at the Star Grand. You'll walk the red carpet and attend the awards.
This week on Today.
This country is a special land, and for more than 60,000 years, the Aboriginal people have learnt to understand the seasons that affect it.
So right now, we're in the Noongar season of Makaroo.
Yes, the coldest and wettest time of the year, traditionally a time to move inland away from the ocean. As water catchments started to fill, it was easier for the people to move around. And food sources changed to include kangaroos and other grazing animals. Climate change directly affects the availability of water, and we all have a role to play to protect it and to adapt the way we use it, even during Makaroo. To help us all thrive on this land, we must learn from those who know it best.
This message is proudly brought to you by Water Corporation. Think climate change, be waterwise.
Welcome back. Well, it was a Sunday best spent indoors. Showers are easing back now, and that trend will continue as we kick off a new working week. But some suburbs collected close to 20 mil of rain today. We measured 11 in the city and we reached a top of 20 degrees just before midday. Now, the rain arrived via a cold front this morning, but there is still a severe weather warning in place for the south of the state for damaging winds with gusts potentially reaching 100 kilometres an hour as that low pressure system passes. But from here, we'll just get the odd onshore shower. Later this week, however, our next big front is moving in with widespread heavy rainfall. So if we take a look at the major city forecast, we'll see some morning showers around Melbourne, but that should ease, a top of just 13 degrees on the way. Morning frost for Canberra, and it's staying dry, top of 10 degrees. Patchy cloud for Sydney and heading for a top of 16. Looking west now, and it is staying mostly dry across the north of the state. Very light showers in Exmouth and heading for a top of 24, and tracking south, a wet and windy day for the south coast as that low pressure system tracks east. 25 millimetres is falling Albany's way and looking at a top of just 17 degrees. A quick look to coastals, some big swell following that cold front, peaking at 5 metres around Perth and seas around 3 metres. But there's a gale wind warning in place for Perth local waters tomorrow morning, and showers will ease across the metro across the day, but a bit more likely for our southern and coastal suburbs. Up to 3 millimetres is expected in Mandurah, a top of 18 degrees. Now in town, we might see 2 millimetres before lunchtime, but that's clearing to patchy cloud. A mild morning followed by a top of 19 degrees, and much of the same on Tuesday. We will see a bit more in the gauge on Wednesday, a top of 20. Our next big winter system is coming through on Friday though, bringing up to 30 mil of rain, a further 15 mil to follow on Saturday. And our nights are remaining on the mild side as well. So we're not out of the woods just yet, Trace, but the rain is doing some good things for our winter totals.
Indeed it is. All right, Sherry, thanks so much. That's 9 News this Sunday. Thanks for your company from the team. Enjoy your evening and good night.